Hey guys, shout out. See, I'm downstairs in the down of the mango tree. Look. How are you, everybody? Still hot over here, no rain. How many days already? See my house in there? Shout out everybody, how are you? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon.